Hey guys, today I wanted to give y'all a tour of my budget welding rig. I got about $10,000 worth of tools and equipment on here. It's basic setup, meant to do structural, miscellaneous fabrication, handrails and trailers and stuff. It's a two-wheel drive truck, and it's a small block V8, so it's not the ideal setup, but it works. I bought the truck used for $4,500. Got a pretty good deal on it. I already had the flatbed on it, headache rack. It ran and drove, and it had those two black toolboxes on it already, which was good because it saved me some money on building some. I would like to eventually make a dedicated welding bed for this truck, but it's on the budget, so is what it is. The machine's a 2000 Miller Trailblazer 251 NT. It's a great machine. You got AC, DC, 240, 120, MIG, TIG, stick, pretty much whatever you want to do with this machine. I paid $4,500 for the machine and a wire feeder. I got a pretty good deal on that. But yeah, I've got about 50 foot of ground and 50 foot of hot. Gotta have the fire extinguisher, of course. But here's my oxyacetylene setup. I've got this toolbox that holds 2 bottles. Acetylene's mounted vertically. A hose reel right here. I only have one oxygen tank for right now, but I don't like the way this line's routed, but I'm gonna have to fix it later. In here, I've got a toolbox. Slides out, torch, torch tips, map gas, that kind of stuff. And then on this other side, I don't know if you can really see that, but there's a very long cubby. It's about 5 foot long for just storing different tools and stuff. On top of the tank box, I have a rail system where you can put a cooler and other gear up there. That cooler doesn't really fit up there, but it's what I got for now. If we walk around here to the back, there's my bench vise. Got it at the flea market for $40. Works pretty good, made in America vise. Over here, I got the a weather guard box. Keep my power tools, grinding wheels. Got a wire feeder, hard hat and stuff. There's all kinds of random gear in here. Stuff that needs to stay dry. These 3 boxes are more for hand tools and just other miscellaneous gear you need. Oops. Up top I got paint, MIG tips, all kinds of hardware and stuff, just random odds and ends you'll need to do work in the field. Bottoms, hand tools, welding rods, measuring tape, all kinds of crap. Basically need anything and everything when you're working in the field. Move this tool bag out of the way so y'all can see, but I got ratchet wrenches, ratchet and sockets. I got a pliers rack in the corner right there. There's all kinds of stuff piled up. I need to clean this box up. But on top, I got a bar that holds all the clamps and stuff. This bottom box right here is mostly just maintenance stuff for the truck, and I got straps, I got oil, a jack, I got a fire blanket in here because you need a fire blanket for doing a lot of work in the field. The truck itself is a 2000 Chevy 3500 dually. It's got 180,000 miles on it. It's a small block truck, but it works. Not ideal for a welding rig, and it's 2-wheel drive, but I put all-terrains on it. It's been fine for now. I'd like to get another truck and another welder and everything later on, but works for now, you know. But overall, I'm pretty happy with this truck. It's got 410 gears, so it really ain't as slow as you would think. It'll comfortably do 85 on the freeway. That's pretty much it, though. Got a bunch more tools and stuff in the back seat, but it's all a mess. So I plan to make either a lead well box or buy lead reels to go right here on the truck, but that'll be in the future. For right now, it's fine the way it is. But yeah, this is basically the bare minimum setup you need to get out there and start doing mobile welding and repair. Get yourself a flatbed with a dually, cheap welder, cheapish. Get a Lincoln or a Miller or something reliable. Get you some boxes on there. Just all kinds of tools, man. You always gonna need something you ain't gonna have on the truck. But yeah, thanks for watching.